What is good, YouTube? Child FX back. Hey man, if you're still struggling with consistency, if you're still struggling with profitability, you don't want to skip any parts of this video. Do yourself a favor by watching this video to the end. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, make sure to drop a comment down below. If you're also interested in enrolling my one-on-one mentor, just DM me on Instagram. The link is in the description below. So with that being said, let's just get to business. Alright, so taking a look at GBP/CAD, the British Pound, Canadian Dollar, we are on the 4-8 time frame. What do we need to do first? Like I've always said, the first thing we need to do is to identify what trend. What did I say we need to do first? We first need to identify our trend. And how do we identify our trend? By identifying what our market structures. Alright, so now let's go back in time and identify our market structures. Yeah. Alright, so now at this point, what the price do at this point, it created a lower high. Alright, it created a lower high. After this lower high was created, what did it do next? It came back up to create a new higher high. After this higher high was created, what the price do? Came back down to create a new higher low. Why is this a higher low? Because this low is higher than that of its previous or higher low. Alright. After this higher low was created, what the price do next? It came back up to create a new lower high. After this higher low was created, what the price do next? It came back up to create a new lower high. After this new lower high was created, what the price do next? It came back down to create a new lower low. Why is this a lower low? Because this low is lower than that of its previous lower low. Yeah. After this lower low was created, what the price do next? It went back up to create a new higher high. Why is this a new higher high? Because this high is higher than that of its previous lower high or its previous high. After this higher high was created, what the price do next? It came back down to create a new higher low. Alright. Also, in this higher low, within this higher low, what the price do? It created what? A double bottom. Alright. After price created this double bottom slash higher low, what did it do next? It went back up to create what? A new higher high. Why is this a higher high? Because this high is higher than that of its previous high. You get me? So after this high is created, what are we expecting next from price? We're expecting price to come back down to create a new higher low. So we continue back up to create a higher high, higher low, so on and so forth. Alright. So now looking at the structures we've identified, we know price is in an uptrend. You get me? We know price is in an uptrend. So after I've identified my H4 market structures, what do I do next? I go down to my H1 time frame to look for my entries. What did I say? What I said was, after I identify my H4 market structures, I go down to my H1 time frame to look for my entries. So now let's go down to our H1 time frame to look for our entries. Alright, so now coming down to the H1 time frame, what do we need to do first? Same thing we did on the H4 time frame. We first need to identify what are H1 market structures. Alright, remember on the H4 we had what? Bullish market structures. So that was the same thing we are expecting on what? On the H1 time frame. Alright, that's the same thing we're expecting on the H1 time frame. If the H1 time frame is giving us bearish market structures, we are not taking any trade. We are only looking to buy. We are not looking to sell. So till the H1 market structures shift from bearish to bullish, We are not taking any trade. Alright? Good. So now let's go back in time and let's see. If you are to look at this angle, right? If I'm to draw this zone, if you are to look within this zone, what do we realize? We realize within this zone, price was creating a series of lower highs and lower lows on the H1 time frame. You get me? Lower highs and lower lows on the H1 time frame. So when did price shift market structure from lower highs and lower lows to higher highs and higher lows? Or when did market structure shift from bearish to bullish? It shifted when price closed above this last lower high. Yeah, I repeat, price shifted structure from bearish to bullish when price was able to close above this last lower high. You get me? Also, this last lower high was also serving as a what? As a resistance level. Alright? This last lower high was what? Was also serving as a what? As a resistance level. Alright? So when price broke above it, what did price do next? It came back to retest it as a what? As a support. I repeat, when price broke above it, what did price do next? It came back to retest it as a what? As a support. Do you get what I mean? So now I'm about to show you exactly how I got my entry. So y'all pay attention. Yeah. So within this, let me clear this. Good. So within this consolidation, I know some of you will say it's a consolidation, right? And you're all right, there's a consolidation, but I didn't look at it from that angle. What I did was take my trend line, right? Draw from point A to point B. You get me? Draw from point A to point B. Take a second trend line, draw from point A to point B. What do we see? We see a chart pattern from though price was consolidating. But within that same consolidation, price was forming what? A chart pattern, which is the ascending triangle chart pattern. Here again, this chart pattern is called the ascending triangle chart pattern. Alright. So all I did after I've seen this chart pattern was to wait for the breakout of the chart pattern. You get me? So can we see the breakout? Yeah. Price broke out with this bullish momentum candlestick. So as soon as I saw price close with this bullish momentum candlestick, what did I do? That was when I entered my trade for longs or for buys. Alright. Place my stop loss right below this candlestick. And my take profit to this H forward. To this H forward. Higher high. You get me? I place my take profit to this H4 higher high level. As simple as that. As simple as that. So this was how I was able to make 140 pips just on this trade. But if I was to hold longer, I would have made about 220 pips. You get me? So this was how I was able to capitalize on this trade, which gives us a risk to reward ratio of 1:3.71. You get me? Risking 37 pips to make 137 pips. As simple as that. As simple as that. I hope you understand what I just did. Yeah. As simple as that. In case you didn't understand anything I did, please go back and rewatch the video to understand. Please go back and rewatch the video to understand in case you didn't understand anything. And like I said earlier on, if you're interested in catching moves like this, just DM me on Instagram to enroll in my one-on-one mentorship. The link is in the description below. Alright? And if you also haven't yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. And make sure you drop a comment down below rating this video from 1 to 10. Alright? Rating this video from 1 to 10. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Charon FX. Peace. I'm out.